Hello everyone, my name is Indu. I'm a customer success associate at 73bit. In this video, I'll briefly explain on how to use our support system to create and track tickets. There are two ways to do that. One is through the customer portal, which is available on all the live and state sites. And second one is by emailing us directly to our help desk. Let me first explain about the customer portal. All you need to do is just log in to your site and then click Probent Support. This will redirect you to our help center. As a first time user, it is necessary to create a login with a password. For that, we have something called login at the top right corner. Simply click on to this, then give your email ID and click next. I have already created a login with a password, so I'm getting this particular screen. But as a first time user, you will receive an email from our help center to set the password. So please click on to this and set your password. And after that, you can log in like this. I'll press continue. So this is our main page. And here is a documentation on the timelines and commitments. Any doubts or clarifications that you need, please refer to this particular documentation. If you want to create a ticket on general queries, click here. To report a bug, please click here. Let me just create a ticket and show you. So first is, what is your question? This is nothing but what you would like us to do. So in this example, I want to create a survey XYZ, and then please give your explanation as much as possible. And then if there is any survey name, if it is applicable, please give it over here. And affected administrator or participant name, participant company, if it is applicable, please give it over here. And then if there are any screenshots or files that needs to be attached, click on to browse and then attach it. You can also give your due date. It is necessary to give that. And then let me give it a 7. And then we have 4 priorities: low, medium, high, and urgent. And all of these are described in the documentation at the top of the page. Medium is nothing but a normal ticket. So once I click send, my ticket will be created and I will get a ticket number at the top. So over here, PCS 64 is my ticket number. So whatever I gave in the ticket while creating the ticket, the details are over here, and the status is currently open. So when we start working on it or any other status change from our side, it will be displayed on this particular page. You can also add in more details using this particular box. And if we have any clarification that needs your attention, that will also be displayed on this particular page. If you have created more than one ticket, you can go to the top right corner, profile and settings, and request. Click request, and all the tickets that you have created before along with your status will be displayed over here. All you need to do is just click and view the ticket. So the same ticket, once it's created in this support center, you will receive an email as well. So this is PCA 64 is my newly created ticket, and this is the confirmation email saying my ticket was created. So this and any other changes in on this particular page, you will receive an email as well. And then the second way to create a ticket is to just compose an email to our help desk. It's helpdesk at 73bit.com. And please give the subject, which is nothing but what is your question. Over here, when we created a ticket, what is your question was the first box. So that is our subject. let me, and in the description please give as much details as possible so that it will be easy for our team to fulfill your request. I have also given my due date here, since this is from an email. And then once I click send, a ticket will be created, and then you will receive a confirmation email just like this with the ticket number. You can use this ticket number to track the status by logging in, and you will also receive emails if there are any changes in your ticket. However, we recommend using the customer portal, as it ensures that all the necessary information is captured up front, including the ticket type, the priority, and the due date. This helps us to understand your request more clearly and respond to you more efficiently. So, these are the two ways to raise a ticket. And if you have any doubts or need any clarifications, please feel free to contact us. We are happy to help you anytime. Thank you so much.